Welcome to Cozy Compassville. Today we're at the lovely estate of the Corris to check out this beautifully renovated and exclusive flat at Block 265A, Compassville Link. Hi, I'm Cheryl from Orange Tea and Thai AAG Division. The Corris is a cluster of premium flats well spaced apart with 16 blocks in total. It was completed in 2008 with a healthy, balanced lease of 84 years. This 92 square meter 4-room corner unit I'm showing you today is on a high floor with awesome views of the vicinity. Let's take a quick look at the floor plan of this stunning 4-room unit. It is a 3-bed, 2-bath featuring a living dining area, 2 good-sized bedrooms and a large master bedroom. The walls of the first bedroom have been hacked away, creating a super-sized all-in-one living and dining space. The kitchen is attached to the service yard and the household shelter is tucked away at the side walkway. As we enter the unit, you will first notice the contemporary eclectic theme of the home, giving off a warm and inviting vibe. It is so bright and airy with full-height large windows and abundance of natural light coming in, highlighting the color scheme and modern furnishings. We are facing south with this fantastic view here. The ceiling features cove lighting which adds on to the coziness and accentuates the warmness of the home. The entire house was just freshly painted a few months ago. These floor tiles are homogeneous, easy to clean and very well maintained. Impeccable. The dining area easily fits 6 to 8 guests over for dinner and can also be extended. It enjoys natural light and breeze and great airflow from the windows beside. It is connected to our spacious living room that is demarcated with this solid timber parquet flooring. This floor area was initially one of the common bedrooms. All bedrooms have the same solid timber parquet floor in pristine condition. The living space is so cozy, it fits a large sofa, coffee table with plenty of walking space all around. The entire living dining area is just perfect for entertaining guests and relaxing with family. Let's move on to the kitchen, designed with functionality in mind. It is very efficient in a squarish layout with tons of sleek cabinets and ample storage, counter workspace for all your cooking needs. This is definitely a kitchen designed for chefs. I love that because it's so spacious, you can have 4 people in here at any one time mingling together. And this corner window space here is just wonderful. When you are prepping or washing, it adds a pleasant breeze and view. The service yard is spotless and can be closed off with this folding door when you have guests over, hiding away your laundry and miscellaneous items. The common room is good sized, with no odd shape and natural light comes in from both side windows on this high floor. This room is versatile and perfect as a home office, bedroom or even an exercise room. The common bathroom is well kept and clean. Flooring is a pebbled stone and non-slip. The master bedroom is truly a retreat. Wide, spacious and well lit, tons of natural light coming in from the large windows. This room easily fits a king-size bed and has full-height 3-panel wardrobes. The neutral color wardrobe is very new and again well maintained as with the rest of the house. It also has a pristine ensuite bathroom that was recently renovated in a modern style. Location-wise, this unit is just a 3 minutes walk to Buangkok MRT, and that is only 9 stops direct to Dhoby Ghaut MRT, heart of the city. We also enjoy convenient access to TPE and KPE for those who drive. You'll be spot for choice with the food options just 2 minutes away. There is Kopitiam, Sengkang 266, Happy Hawkers and KFC. For those who like midnight grocery shopping, there is a 24-hour fair price here. Further north, Rivervale Plaza is within 1 kilometer. The best part is definitely the upcoming Sengkang Grand Mall, situated right here at Buangkok MRT, where you will enjoy an even wider variety of food, shopping and services. For recreation, we have Punggol Park and Compassville and Silla Park nearby. For young couples or families with children, MOE Kindergarten and Sparkle Tots is 2 minutes away. North Vista Primary School is just right beside us. Other range of schools nearby include Punggol Primary, Palmview Primary, Sengkang Primary, CHIJOLN and Nan Chiau Primary. Thanks for watching our home tour of this amazing unit at the Corris. If you would like to get an exclusive viewing of this beautiful home, contact me at 9648 8888. I'm Cheryl, Real Estate with Heart and Soul. See you soon!